Now, one of the things that I found on your channel that you've been doing, which I thought was super interesting, I haven't actually dug into this yet. I haven't experimented at all, is grafting. Can you talk to us about what you've been doing with grafting? Kind of like what is grafting and what have you been doing and what have you kind of learned about it?
Yeah, so grafting is when you take the root zone of a certain plant and then you add in you cut one of the branches from the plant and you add in another branch from a different plant and you tie them together. So now you have the same root zone, for example, but you may be growing five different strains within that root zone. And what got me interested in that was I saw somebody grow a plant called the pomato, which is a potato root zone. So you grow potatoes in the bottom, and then on the top they grafted it with tomatoes. So you get the tomatoes on the top at the same time where you get the potatoes in the bottom. So right away I hit Chat GPT up. I'm like, yo, what can I do with this plant? You know what I mean? And it said that the only thing that you could graft to the medicinal plant that we grow is hops, hops or other of its same kind. So I'm like, hop sounds fun, but I don't feel like I want to do that. So I just did. I grew a plant. It had, I think, six different branches. I cut five of them off, and I left the one of the original plant, and I grafted on there the five different ones. Out of those, only three made it alive. And the point was I wanted to have one plant with different colors, different strains, different morphology, and I thought that that would look really cool. And it kind of did. A lot of them turned out similar because they were my genetics. And they're kind of similar, but there were different colors in the plants and everything like that. I don't see a real life world reason why you would need to do that other than to have fun. Maybe if you're in a state where you're only allowed to grow like two different plants and you want different varieties, maybe like that. But that was fun, man, and it definitely worked out, and you can check that out on my channel. And it's interesting, man. I thought it was really fun. That was a fun thing to do.
Are you going to keep doing it or are you kind of done doing it?
Nah, I think nah, nah, man. It was a little hard because it's like it takes longer. You know what I mean? And there is no real benefit for me since I could actually grow different genetics at the same time here where I am. So, but it was just like a fun experiment that I wanted to try. If I ever get hops, I might try. I don't know. Like that sounds like something different to do, but that was just like a one-off thing to see if I could do it, and it worked out. And proof of concept. So if you're interested in that, go check it out, and it does work all the way to flower, all the way to harvest. Man, it was really good. Yeah.
This clip is brought to you by VivoSun. Use discount code MrGrow15 to save on any of the gardening products. Go to the full episode by clicking the outro card here, or click the link in the description section below. Catch you in the next video.